at the sa nail salon. Yes, I'm doing my nails. It's just close to our place. Mga about 100 meters from our place. Yes. Yes, yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's it's summer pastel. This is the first time I tried like this color and style. Yes. Avocado durian cream. Why are you having that?
I'm having durian.
Huh?
I'm having orange durian.
No! There's no orange durian.
I'm having carrot cake because it's good for my skin.
Not carrot cake, carrot juice.
Carrot juice because it's good for my skin.
You know what?
My aging skin.
You know what? Avocado is also good. It's good for the skin. That is also advisable. Avocado, chia seed. But I like this one because it has durian. And I love durian.
So Adam is renting.
Since what's this? May nagtatanong, there is someone is asking about my skincare routine. So I'm not gonna use it, show to you, but I will just show to you what are the products that I'm using. So first, I don't use kasi I don't wash anymore my yung facial wash. Yes, because I used before this. Wait, I'm gonna show you. This is what I used before. Cleansing. So I use L'Oreal. So this is not a sponsored video. Yeah, I know it's expensive, but of course, if you want to to have a beautiful skin, look young, sure. No, when you when you spend something for your skin routine for yourself, you need to choose also better choose also. It's okay to spend a bit more and you get good products, so you don't use those mga what's this, mga cheap product that are not really good quality. So saan ba ko, where I'm going to look, I don't really know. So yes, and that is the, you know what, that one I use only once a week. I don't use it every day, every night, because I use that morning and night time. So every time I rinse or shower, I use it. But this time, this is the thing, advice, excuse me, you use it only once a day, once a week. So you don't use it every day because it will going to dry your face. And then after shower, this one what's this, cleanses. Yeah, after that, so this is what I use. This is also what I use to remove also makeup, some if I yeah, this one, it's also L'Oreal. And then of course I have the cream, day cream. Oo. So, and then at night time, I have this one also, the serum L'Oreal. So it's all L'Oreal. And then also this one, I use this. Because I used to get those things sa Thailand because they have the Watson. But this time kasi they don't have here the same product, the same same color, I don't know, same So I use different. So this is, it's gonna be finished soon. So actually I have also night cream. This one, this is day cream, and I have the night cream. But this time it's gonna almost finish na, and I cannot find it here in Vietnam. So I have this one. Still the same L'Oreal. So this is gonna be my night and day and night. And then what else? Yeah, that's all. Yes. So that's all. And of course I take also vitamins. I take vitamin E, and then collagen, and then of course also you need to have good food, good to you need also to go eat good product, not mga shit product. And then what else? And then sleep, it's really important to sleep. Yes, if I don't get enough sleep, I don't look good. Ikaw, what is your beauty product? Do you want to share your beauty product? Your beauty product.
I use L'Oreal as well,
No,
but I prefer Christian
I
Dior.
know. Wala, no, Wish doesn't use anything. He's a man, doesn't need.
I use soap, nice soap. It's enough.
No, actually better use lang, water is enough. It's always like that, water, natural. Don't use ano ba yun? Don't use mga chemical.
Natural.
So yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. So that's my yes, and then maybe next time I'm gonna video about my my daily look. Oo, the makeup that I use. So yes, that's all. I am a L'Oreal girl. Yes. No, when I start even before when I was young, I was on my college ata, high school, I start using those mga for skincare. I use first is talaga Olay, and Olay was really good. And after that, when I had enough money, I have already extra, so I upgraded to L'Oreal. And the good thing also here, I was so worried because they don't have Watson here in Vietnam. And recently, I think that was last month, so I found some product. I bought some in because before we left Thailand, I bought some, and then it was already finished. And then I checked online, so I got online. And then recently, I think that was 1 month ago, I found this small shop here, and they are new shop here, and it's almost same like Watson. They sell all those mga skincare products. So it's like really Watson but different company. So I was so happy because they have already here in Hoi An. And yes, so I can get already there. So next time, don't need to worry, I can get already there my skincare. So yes, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye. Ano ba? Bye. Ano ba? Hindi ko alam.